Tap the notification bell to never miss a video.
Now remember, kids, don't pull that fire alarm.
Yes, Miss Picklesburg.
The fire alarm.
So, Mr. Fire Alarm, you're 55 years old and you're applying for a job here at Harvard. You've gotten an F- on every single school project you've had. You've been absent or suspended for 1/4 of all your school years. You've had to go through kindergarten 5 times and you've had to go through 10th grade 6 times. Welcome to Harvard! I'm going to Harvard. Okay, kids, welcome to Harvard. This school is awesome. So yeah. There's a fire alarm down the hall. Okay, we all don't want more fire alarm pranks. So, what I have proposed is a new fire alarm, which instead of pulling down, you pull up. I call it a pull-up. Yeah! Since that was a fail, to you I now present the amazing... Well, we don't have a name for it yet.